In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Temu invitation on your laptop or PC. If you're new to Temu or just looking to make sure you're doing things correctly, you're in the right place, let's make the process as straightforward and easy as possible. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the Temu website. You can easily do this by typing www.temu.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window. After you're on the Temu homepage, feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site, especially if you're visiting for the first time. It's always a good idea to understand the digital landscape a bit before diving in. Next, you'll need to access your email. Open another tab in your browser or go directly to your email provider, whether that's Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another service. Once you've logged into your email account, search for the invitation email from Temu. If it doesn't appear in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case it ended up there by mistake. When you find the Temu invitation email, open it up and you'll see a hyperlink or a button prompting you to accept the invitation. Go ahead and click on the link provided in that email. This will take you directly to the invitation acceptance page on Temu's website. This is an important step as clicking the link ensures that your acceptance is tied to your specific account or invitation. Once you're on the Temu site, you might be prompted to confirm your email or log in if you haven't done so already. After confirming your participation, you're almost done. Typically, there will be a clear confirmation message on the page letting you know that you've successfully accepted the invitation. Keep an eye out for that, as it's your assurance you've completed the process. Now, if you've done everything right, you should be able to find any coupons or special offers associated with this invitation on the Temu platform. These are often a perk of accepting invitations, so be sure to explore and take advantage of any deals or discounts available. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should successfully accept a Temu invitation on your laptop or PC. Remember, the key is to make sure you're clicking through from the email invitation to secure your acceptance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for any other tech tips or advice you might need. Have a great day.